These are my Traco tracks. Sure looks like it hasn't been used. Looks like they've used it plenty. Bet you it's still hot. They just got off work. These are the tracks in my excavator. It says that they've used it one day. It was at a barge 30 miles away when I left here. So I believe they're lying to me. All I want is what's mine. He's stolen from me. This entire path was made by my excavator. It's the only machine with a blade on it. Somebody over there. Sure looks like it hadn't been used. For something not being used, why would you have a Phillips Jordan sticker on it? Everything's coated in sand. It was on a barge last time I left it. There's no teeth on it. He ripped every tooth off. This is the cylinder that they tore off and re-welded. Melted all the packing out of it. Look at this. Completely destroyed this cylinder. This is great. I wonder how many hours are on it. $2,054. There were 1,800 hours on it whenever I left. $276 job hours. Interesting. Very interesting. Left running wide open. Completely wide open. There's no hydraulic fluid in it. It's running wide open. No maintenance done. Soot everywhere. They've tightened this up so far that it only runs wide open. So that when you start this machine, it's supposed to be idled. They run it wide open. They've dogged the crap out of my machine. 276 hours on it and told me that they hadn't used it. It looks to me like it's been used. This is a shame. I never should have gotten involved with this guy.